Hey guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today I am the Japanese bento box. I will make salmon bento today. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, cut the ingredients. Use 2 green onions. Chop them into small pieces. Next, peel the carrots. Only use 1/3 carrot. Remove the skin from the carrot and use a peeler to thinly slice them. Next, root 1/4 of the enoki mushrooms. Cut them into thirds. Next, make the tamagoyaki. Press 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix them well. Turn the heat. Heat oil in the frying pan. Add 1/3 of the egg mixture to the pan and spread it out in a thin layer. Once one side of the egg is cooked, hold it over the edge 3 to 4 times. Heat oil in the frying pan again. Add half of the remaining egg mixture and spread it thinly. Once one side of the egg is cooked, roll it with the egg just you cook. Heat oil in the frying pan again. Add the remaining egg mixture and spread it thinly. Once one side of the egg is cooked, roll it with the egg just you cook. Shape the tamagoyaki on the frying pan. Turn off the heat. Remove the egg onto a cutting board. Japanese omelette tamagoyaki is completed. Next, fry the salmon. Heat the frying pan and add oil. Add salmon. Sprinkle salt over the salmon. When one side of the salmon is cooked, flip it over. Sprinkle salt over the salmon again. Fry the salmon for about 5 minutes. Once the salmon is completely cooked, turn off the heat. The fried salmon is completed. Next, make the side dish. Heat the frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add carrots and enoki mushrooms. Fry them in mayonnaise oil. Once the enoki mushrooms and carrots are cooked, add a chopped green onion. Fry them. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and stir fry them. Stir fry for about 1 minute, then turn off the heat. The stir-fried carrot and mushroom dish is completed. Once the tamagoyaki has cooled down, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cut off the end of the tamagoyaki and use them for tasting. Cut the tamagoyaki into 3 equal parts. This is the last step. Pack the food into the bento box. Pack the rice diagonally to about 2/3 of the bento box. Add the tamagoyaki. Place the salmon diagonally on the rice. There's not enough space, so I remove 1 tamagoyaki. Move the remaining tamagoyaki to the edge of the bento box. Add the stir-fried carrot and mushrooms. Add a boiled broccoli on the gap. Finally, sprinkle your favorite furikake on the rice. I use Wakame furikake today. Japanese salmon bento is completed. Bento is one of the typical food of Japanese food culture. Colorful and healthy bento box makes us happy during lunchtime. Japanese bento boxes generally consist of rice, one main dish, one protein side dish, and one vegetable side dish. You can make a colorful bento by adding your favorite side vegetables, pickles, and furikake. Please make a colorful, healthy, and delicious bento box and have a wonderful lunchtime. I would be happy if you could request bento boxes or other dishes you would like me to make in the comments.
Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese bento box? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it and enjoy your lunchtime. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!